I learned about forex trading, how my friends are killing it, buying cars, buying houses, real estate, and all like that. Then I give it a try. What's this guy doing? Is it forex trading? Okay, let me try it. Then I'm a 95%. Then I give it a try, and okay, let me try forex trading. Let me start forex trading as well. So my first month I made money. Second month I made money. Third month I lost. I give it another try. I lost all. Then I lost everything I made. I was like, maybe I didn't know some things that I need to know. Then I saw a signals community advertising for signals. It's free. Then I joined. I joined again. The first I saw their free group. Of course, every signals will always have VIPs and premium group. Their free group seems to be good. I tested it, in demo, tested it in real life. I made some couple of money. I was fine. Then I propelled myself to go for the VIP so I can have more access to signals and some other stuff like that. I paid for it. I made money in the first month. I made money second month. The third month, I think they had a losing streaks. I lost my money. Then I was like, what's going on? Maybe I should consider myself learning this thing myself. Then move on to the next stage. Then, of course, go for. I saw another people. I had someone else advertising for mentorship. I paid for the mentorship. First month, second month, it was seeming to be good, interesting. Of course, we were breaking it down very in a simpler, in the form of A to Z. And I was enjoying myself. But more or less, I was as if I was studying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It was quite interesting for me to see that, oh, this thing is even very simple and understanding enough. Then, of course, first month, 3 months, I subscribed for 6 months. First 2, 3, 4 months was seemed interesting. Then I gained the confidence to go to fund. Then I funded. I made money. First month, second month, third month, fourth month, I blew all. I funded again. I felt like I blew all. Now, what's going on? Maybe I'm funding too much, or I haven't completed my lesson. Then I completed my lesson. I completed the 6 months. I funded again. I blew off. I made money. The next month I blew off. Then I was thinking, oh, maybe let me stop using my money. Let me just go for what I learned about profit. Then I say, oh, yeah, this is really a better way. Why am I just funding? Why I can just buy an account? I can buy as many as I want. Then if I pass, I get all my money back. Then I go for what? Funding pips. I go for what? Profems. I go for profems. All the profems around. I bought this. I bought that. I bought a couple of them. I bought this. I made money. I passed the first one. I failed the first two. I bought another one again. Passed phase one, phase two. I bought another one again. I didn't even pass phase one. I failed. I bought another one. I failed. I bought another one. I failed. I bought another again. I passed both and I got funded. Immediately I got funded. The next trade I failed. I bought another one again. I bought another one again. I passed both phase. I got funded again. I passed. I already made profits. I was thinking, let me add to the profit so I can what? So I can, of course, pay a payout, a big payout. Then I blew it off. Then I violated the rules again. Then I went back to square one. And I was like, what's this? Then the last thing that comes on forex trading is a scam. This is exactly what many people are going through right now. If you are going through this, I know you can relate. I'm sure I'm speaking to someone's mind. This is exactly how many people's 80% of traders' journey has been. You started on somewhere, hearing about your friend telling you, oh, this thing I'm man buy, it's good. What I do, I'm forex, I'm doing my forex trader. Really, you're a forex trader? This one is buying cars, buying houses, buying this, they're doing fine, they're living large. You're like, oh, really? You just jump into it, bam. Went for training, 2 or 3 days training, bam. From there, you believe you can trade, yeah, you found it. You had what we call beginner's flip. You made money, bam, 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 bam. Oh, really? Good. From there, bam. You just stopped. But when you get stuck, you started losing. You started not understanding yourself anymore. Then you think, oh, maybe I do not understand how to analyze. I need to learn that separately. Okay, before I don't have time for analysis. Because I'm a 95%. Let me just look for a signal group that just provided me signals and I've done the work for me. Then I'm just picking buy and sell. Just picking buy and sell. And then when I make money, I'm good. Then you go for what? What is it called? Signal group. Exactly. From signal group, they tell you that signals is always going well. You understand the fact that what? For us, every stages of lives, every stages of business, we only have what? Downs and up. Let me continue, Sha. So you went to that, you went there. The signal group, you're doing fine, and suddenly when you join, you make money first, second, third month, and the last second month, maybe second or third month, they had the losing streaks, or they keep living, all the inconsistencies started setting in. They were not too consistent again with the profitable they were making at first before you joined. And you're like, oh, what's this? You opted out. Then you think, oh, let me learn this myself. I think it's because I didn't learn it myself. If I learn myself, I'm able to know the proper way to enter, the proper way to exit, the right strategy to use, this or this. Then you learn it, you go for mentorship. 6 months, 1 year, you subscribe. And then you learn it again. While you're learning, it's already seeming to be so simple as if you are learning ABC. Wow, this thing is simple. Why not? You went from there without finishing or concluding your program. And found Hey, funded, you make money, you make money, you build it again, you build it again, you think, what's going on? Oh, why am I even using my money to be buying funding? I can just buy ProFirms now. I can buy 10 times of that. Yeah, you bought ProFirms. Same thing happens to you. Then you get stocks, and the last thing that comes to you that forex trading is a scam. That is it. This is typical. How would I call it? Typical 8% traders ideology. Typical 8% traders mindset. Typical 8% traders psychology. Knowing fully well that, not knowing fully well that every businesses you are coming into, everything you want to do requires time, requires skills, requires knowledge, requires patience, requires persistence, requires determination, requires resilience. Am I talking to someone? Requires focus. Without knowing facts that anything you want to do in life requires these terms, these terminologies I just mentioned above. This affirmation I just stated out requires each and every one of them. It's not a record science. For these people to have done and gotten to that state, they would have put in all these stuffs there. But you're not able to put in those stuffs. You just think it is, what is this? Because they are doing these figures, I can just pop in and pop in and do the figures as well. And do it not done. Am I talking to somebody? Am I speaking somebody's mind right now? This is what many traders, many unsuccessful traders, many beginners has come as experience, and they conclude, oh, nothing has come, Jare. Nothing happened for some people, Jare. That is not for me. That's exactly what many are facing right now. Right now in this video, I'm about to solve your problem, and I'll be addressing them one after the other. I'm addressing them one after the other. So getting your mindset, reshaping it for the right structure, for the right system that you need to follow. Now, it's not a big deal that all of these stuffs shaping your idea, all of these stuffs they are burnt on you, and of course it brings inconsistency. It brings about a wrong ideology to your brain and every other stuff. It's normal, of course, but what I will say is this: every business has its risks and profits. You cannot tell me you want to start a business today and you are guaranteeing yourself that tomorrow it will be successful. No, it requires time, processes, what you put in, and every other stuff like that. So the right way to this is not that. Though you are following the right way, but the mindset is not aligned to the right way. Yeah, because the way you have spoken, if you are the kind of trader like that, and you took that step of what, pay for mentorship, trying to get signals from there, you think you can grow out to go signals, feeders. You want to be failed again. You want to teach yourself how to keep fish. That's a nice idea. You actually follow the right route. Yeah, you actually follow the right steps in growing, but your mindset was not aligning. Your mindset was not the right mindset. Of course, when you heard about it, you give it a try. You went for all these 2-3 days webinar. From there, you move to what, joining signals group. That is what randomly every trader does. From there, you move to coming out from it and becoming your own. You want to learn how this thing works truly, how to analyze yourself, how to do this yourself, how to catch fish yourself. It's the fine thing. Then from there, you realize that there's what we call ProFirms that you can actually buy some things. That is it. But you're not giving it what time. You're not giving it focus. You're not giving it resilience. You're not giving it what you need to take. Because if you're learning something and you're doing something repeatedly and without changes, you keep getting the same results. Someone will say the foolish man will keep doing the same thing the same way. That is it. And I believe you are wise enough. I used to have been listening to me. I used to be watching this video. Definitely, you are wise. You're wise enough. You are wise, and then you are intelligent. You are intelligent. You are intelligent. Yeah. So I only believe that you are not aligning. You are not combining the right ideology system to this. Actually following the right pattern, following the right way. Of course, it's the right good. You're following the right way, but you're not. So you're not just following the right way. So I believe if you can follow this, put in focus, put in resilience, stick to one mentor, follow your tool, and give it time. It's like, first thing is like you coming to learn doctor, to learn law, to learn all this stuff. For me, it took me 2.5 years. Can you imagine that? 2.5 years? Some people 3 years. Because me, for example, I'm a slow learner. I know myself very well. Years of tumbling, rising and falling, making money, inconsistency. It's normal. Even though while you are profitable, you still experience more losses. That is the pattern of the game. But you don't also understand. What pays me a lot is that all these beginners, I don't understand losses. Once you want to be seen to be smooth, someone will enter this thing, bam. They will enter your group. See ya. Bah, so I just made three months winning streaks, and the next month the person is asking so losing. The person is not good again. The person is not good. I was like, really? Why is not done? That is it. You guys don't understand the system at which you are working with. This system, the what is behind forex trading. It's all about win and losses. But at the end of it, are you profitable? At the end of it, so win is bigger than your losses. That is it. Losses will always come, but people don't understand that. You don't understand what you're coming into. You don't understand the brain boss behind this work. You don't understand. So for me, I just think people need to understand and give it time, and of course take some step one after the other. And of course, definitely you always see yourself in that profitability room, and of course begin to gain consistency for yourself as well. So if you can do this, and of course put in the work, give it patience, requires time, focus, and some other stuff like that. Look for a mentor that you can stick to, that resonates well with your personality, and of course you'll be good and you'll be fine. Give it time. It's not about rush. You want to 2, 3, 4 months, 6 months. You want to start pulling up. Want to buy Lamborghini. You want to buy private jet, bros. Calm, chill. It's not done that way. So that's what I think. That misconstrued and that misconception is very rampant, and it shouldn't be. So I believe you learned something in this video. Don't forget to like, share this with your friends, and of course subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you on the next video, and bye for now, guys. Peace out.